In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to test your camera in Microsoft Teams without joining a meeting. This is a great way to make sure your camera is working properly before an important call, interview, or online class. Testing your camera ahead of time helps you avoid last-minute technical issues, so let's go through the simple steps. First, open Microsoft Teams on your device. Once the app is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the three dots beside of your profile picture or initials. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside the Settings window, click on Devices from the menu on the left. This section allows you to manage your camera, microphone, and speakers. Under the Camera section, you'll see a live preview of your camera feed. If your camera is working correctly, you should see yourself on the screen. You can also use the drop-down menu to switch between different cameras if you have more than one connected. If you don't see a preview, double-check that your camera is connected and not being used by another app. Once everything looks good, you can close the Settings window. And that's it. You've successfully tested your camera in Microsoft Teams without joining a meeting. Now you can join your next call with confidence, knowing your camera is ready to go. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.